Alonso, Barangay Jasper Manala, Bangan, MJ, Bobby, Joseph, 3-point Blanca, Green. Here comes the screen, pass to Bobby, Bobby, points, double zero. Jay, a runner now, Jay, hello, Paul. Ready. Pass to Banana from the deep. 54-8, Chase Bieber back to from the Guagua. Sago, Banana. Pass to CK Bakami. CK, Gatachapa. Brian Santos. Fantastic. Shot clock now on Axelon. 50 seconds. 5, 3, 1. The shot clock here comes now on Rex McCollum from downtown. Down ang MVP. Di mo mahuhuli bola ni Jaguar. Now on Loxi Barasi. 50 shot clock. Pasaran ni JP. What the pass? Tignan mga libre. The fadeaway, yes sir! CJ Bukison, the crazy boy on the move! And that is his goal. On his hand, best, number 1, and that's the best, great contact on McCollum. Rez McCollum pass through. Ernesto Pasana! 50 shot clock. Nakakilo na yung desyon ng bomba! Jasper Manala! Ernesto Pasana. 13 on the shot clock. And Breaking down to take. Flying airness, pull-up jumper, siya naman kumawin ng pull-up jumper. Upo na sila, may block, do all this, here comes the Rossi. No! Best hits at the shoulder. From the baseline, Coach came down and JP, which is me, never fired at all. Great body of Ernesto, yan lang sa go. Pass to JP. Pasagan. First is good. Let's see. The second throw. It's a 2 after 2. To Pasagan. 13 on the shot clock. And the score of the Happy, Gigi Babalaka, outlet pass, the excitement, ito na naman si Barasi. Very good. Yes, please. CJ Bukison now is on the court, now on the column. Rez McCollum pass through. Ernesto Pasana. 3. Lemon 5. Here come from the Guagua, number 18 Jaguar. Skate behind the base, find the line, get to back. First is good. MJ. 5. Ball out, on his hand. Best, number 1, and that's the best, great contact. Bring the second comes foul. All over 30. Wait, what's only bonus? For the Guagua, Ivan Castro. the fadeaway, yes sir! 1 feet on the ground for the pull-up. Deadlock na tayo, the Simply Jasper. Lorenz Mahola. Looking another receiver, pass to Ernesto Basanan. CJ Vitison inside, fine! Makala inside! There's the shot, but there's a foul. Two down and two. Castro. 50 strong lock. Nakabila na yung decision ng bomba! Jasper! Manala! This is the best shooter. Ika nga. Para dito kay May Manala. Manala pinasa kay Jasper! Oh! Looking for the 4-point play. Dalawa yung pumasok. Okay. And with the song flying, the open James, number 3, last pure drop shot. Now, have a contact for Joey the Beat. 10 seconds. Inside campaign. The block from that island, nalabasan Rafael. The second throw. Miss. Oh, there's a weasel. Second throw. Substitution. And next period. Score 17-15. Technique agad yung bola. Nagwala dito kay CJ Vitison. CJ. Tara po ang Salem. This one. Push. By JKC. Jasper Manala will go right to number 23. Mr. Excitement. That is the first 2 points. Nakakapagalibago ng first quarter. Walang puntos. Ano si Excitement. Pero 15 second shot clock. Down from the corner. Bullet pass inside. No good. Tap in. Good. Rebound. Ball. Jalan Pari. Mancasi. Drag it to number. It's a break. Bomb. Mr. Excitement. Pinala ko yung first quarter. At ito, naka-back to back agad. 50-21, CJ to MJ. Back to CJ Vitison. Now to Jay Rivera. 14 seconds. Nakitawa nyo naman yung pasa. Another steal from the Guagua. Here comes down by the Jaguar. Di mo mahuhuli bola ni Jaguar. Nakundok si Palasi. Sa'yo ba sila? 50 down, long three. Jay, di ba? Nakakakuha naman yung unang basket. That was a foul. Second throw. That was speed. 23-15. 16. 13 down to Jay. Lilipat Ernesto Basanan. There's a count of 2 points. 15 seconds shot clock. Now CJ Vitison. That's 7 on the lead. 3-point shots way of the Marco de Lospa. Back naman ang Mr. Gutierrez. Communicate ang natin mga malaga. CJ Vitison, the crazy boy on the move. And that is a for goal. Yung ating mga visitor here in Guam of the new. That was an end one. 6:20. 15 seconds shot clock. From the outside. Also has the 3. The second time, the last time out for Coach G picking down. From the Kamalangan. Pasahan naman si Roman Pacalio. Drop. Yes sir. Mga galing kong laban talaga Mai-enjoy natin. Parehong pumunap, parehong line-up, magagaling. Nandito sa Hong Kong. Speed, nabawi. And that was a foul. Shooting to for Jeff PC. First goes good. Okay, now let's work. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Now on Axelon. Oh yeah, correction, that was only 2 points. 27-29, down to 2. Gang, pass to Kabusao. 15 seconds, 5, 3, 1. And that is good. This is the letter. J.P. Gianna. Foul. First is good. Gonzalez. Excitement! Nugget run. Rebound natin kay Kapusaw. Wow! Wala pa rin. Rebound. Mabait na yan. Sagot nila Alonso. Foul number 9. 4 points. Second row. That was sweet. 30 shot clock. Pasaran to JP. What the pass? The camera base for CJ Wikison. Mabilis na naibaba yung lamang ng Guagua. Isang lang. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 3 points. Shot from Jasper Manala. Kumawala na. Rebound natin. And that is, thank you very much, led by Nicky Serrano. Binigay yung bola sa kanilang libre. 30-40-31. The Jaguar, lumalitan, tapitan, power, Nugget, rebound. Penalty. Now from Jaguar. And bouncing out of bounds. 15-second shot clock. Here comes now on Prince McCollum from downtown. Down the line at MVP. Jay Rivera. They basketball up and nasagot yung Guagua. CJ, this one player at his school. 36-35, 1 minute down here in the first half. 10 down on the shot clock. The 3-point shots at the end next to Basana. Look at it. 15 seconds remaining. That comes over for the 2. Drive, ball, save, come. Tapulis mo na daw. May nakabako, left, let's take it. That was a complete and 1. 10 seconds. Take me Biana. Push, extra, inside. It's a prop. It's foul on number 2. Level natin here in the first half. They need to down. And on our first half score, 37-39. 2 points from Guagua Fighting Hoopers. First attack here in the third for Guagua. Underneath reverse, Jasper Mananang. Now down to 10. Bounce pass. Half time. That's it. For 2. 50 down shot clock. Jasper Mananang. Pass to CK Bakami. CK. That's out. Brian Santos. Lead up again at 4. About scoring. 13 seconds. Here comes now the up between the leg behind the back by CK Bakami. Pero di pa rin makakagula. Fantastic. Second by Ernesto Basaran. No! Mispad! Now, nothing but a gift to Jasper Manala. That's the the 4-point play action. Yes, really forget it. Who played on play? Number 13. Ooh, that was a difficult contact for that turnaround kick. For MP Elospa. Elospa push the run. To Ernesto Basaran. That's another thing I'm going to reverse. 0-0. Jay, another Dallas MJ! Hello, Paul! Jay Fair! Nagtambalang JP and MJ. Now it's a change favor contra Bugari. Pass to Banana from the deep. 54-8, change favor back to from the Guagua. Sagot! Sagutan ng 3. There comes the ball from Little Wilson. Looking down. We are now on the penalty for the Mabalanga. Board person. Engineer Edward Ray Superman. Garcia, maraming salamat. And substitute 50 seconds on the shot clock from the Guagua. Number 6. What escape! Back down first. Lumalaban. Screen for CG with the sword. Here comes the screen. Pass to the belly. Bowling points. What a shot! Level up. 20 seconds here. Number 15. Hey, can I hear? There's a basket. But 8 3 points. Oh, sa kanya lang. 3 points. Sa INS double team. Cross down to CJ. Pero moving up. CJ parehong powerhouse na sabi naman sa inyo. First service made. Medyo attitude. That was at the end of the third quarter. 54-59. Check na rin. Broken Mabalaban. Check up. Back to the Freaky Boy. Banggaan. MJ. Public. Sunset. 3-point back. Green. 10-second shot block. Nosy. Balasi. Drop pass. Versus good. Now to Sinoble. On the signal. Nilalakad ang offensa sa may pasok. Right sa kanto. Sa basket for Drew. Down now at 2. Tumikit na naman. Ang laban. Bakbakan talaga. Here in Betis Congo. Yang. Pass to Kogi. Kami. Bukan. Lead up against Fon. 7 minutes pa dito sa ating huling quarter. 15-second shot clock. Here comes now by Pasangan. Ernesto, nininigaw ang depensa. Lumag na jumper. Paano ba hahaslo yung talon na sa area? Jump shot yan by Ernesto Pasangan. 66-3. 6-10. 15-second shot clock. The screen. Getter. Yes, sir. Down. Nakita na laban. 15 down, shot ball. Guagua, Alonso, Malagay Jasper Manala. All points. 27 lane. And Lowe's ball made the answer from the baseline top. Yan na naman ang baseball pass. Out there lang. 50 shot clock. Nice! That's the clean Jasper Manala. 4 points up. Again from Guagua. Here comes the Chela. Nugent. Drop the JP. That is an offensive foul. Offensive foul. Nako. JP Manilani. Ang lamang dito ng Guagua. Morning seconds. 10 down, shot off. Jasper. Nakaingin na. Rebound. 2 hands to goal. Now CJ with the sword. Drive it easy. And the last of that second shot clock. 10 down. Here comes Jaguar. And one. First zone. Good. 60-71. That is only a 5-point lead. Medyo malapit na tayo sa pagkukuhanan. Taking na bola, CJ with the sword. Will recover, 50-second shot clock. Pouring down. Now on the for Pasangan. The jumper for 3. Look at it. Top, ball, down for 1-1. Breaking it up. Base, ball, down, to the twilight zone. Last 2 minutes. Last minute approaching by this Digama. Darna, Hong Kong, Kakabawe. Jasper, inubos talaga yung 24. Shot clock violation, wala. Forty seconds. 15-second shot clock, and Nestor Pasangan. Out balance. 10 down. Almost check. 3. J. Brown. 3. That was, I am saying, for 10 seconds on the shot clock. Tagmore. 5 down. Rosie Balassi. 5 shot clock. Alonso. Didn't shoot the ball. That's down now. Or rather, that's a shot clock violation. Now, take it up. Oh. Last play. Throw in. Tingnan natin Coach Jamie Quindao. Hawak kamay. Huwag ang mga that is the only one ball possession. 2 points. Nangangamoy. Chicharon. Chicharon. Nangangamoy.
13.9 seconds. 13.9.
They can win this action. If they can set up in front of run. We will get from the overtime. We will go from the overtime. The clock running on. 10 seconds. 5 down.
Three.
Oh, hey. He just moved back. Hit back. Shot. The jab shots connect. They steal the score. And they surely win for this game. 2 seconds. In another and 3. Oh, that's okay. And that's all. Congratulations. Thank you very much from the Mabalagan. Thank you, Mabalagan. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Pag-ingat kayo. Congratulations for the fourth straight victory. The ating Buwagwa Fighting Hoopers. Our best player of the game, 26 points. When it's down on assist, 5 rebounds for Jasper Banana. See you, Palo Page, ni Donna, mag-ingat kayo.